To insert SIM card into the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will need this SIM tool, which comes included in the box with your phone, and on the left side of your phone, right here, you can find the SIM tray, and here also is the pinhole to actually open this SIM tray. So let's insert this pin into this pinhole, and from here, as it is all the way in, you will have to push until the SIM tray ejects, just like this. And from here, now you can grab this SIM tray with your nails, just like this, and take it out by pushing, like, as you can see. And now you can take it out with no problem, this SIM tray right here. And now you can see that here we have this SIM slot, the SIM slot number 1. The SIM slot number 2 is located right here, but we will have to insert our SIM card into the SIM slot number 1. So as you can see, it is located right here. We have the cutout to insert this SIM card. There's only one way to insert this SIM card, and it needs to be positioned like this, with this cut right here on the top right corner, with the chip being on the downside of this right here. And now, just like this, you have to put this SIM card into the SIM tray, and it fits all the way in with no problem. And there's like only one way to insert this SIM card into this SIM tray. So now, as we have this SIM in the SIM tray, now we have to insert the SIM tray into our phone. And there's also only one way to do this. As you can see, here we have the cutout. As you take a look at the phone, here's the cutout of how to insert this SIM tray, and here you can also see how to insert it. So yeah, just like this. This one have to be positioned at the top of the phone, on the screen side, and this hole needs to be on this side, like the downwards. So simply put it in just like this. There's no other way to actually insert it, so you'll not make any mistake. And that's basically how to insert the SIM card into your Redmi Note 14S.